How to add SSL to Godaddy domain. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to add an SSL, you will have to navigate over here under SSL certificates. Now, SSL certificates are something that you need to purchase to be able to add it onto your domain. So let's go to it. Over here, as you can see, you will be able to see all kinds of SSL. But first, you're going to look for a specific SSL that you want and for a specific domain. You can also check out different options over here at the top like SSL tools and different parts or different things. But anyway, in this page, you can simply find the specific SSL that you need and purchase them, and you will be able to put it into your domain. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.